NMCA NMRA All-Star Nationals are here at Rockingham Dragway all weekend. The racing starts on Friday, April the 12th and runs through Sunday, April the 14th. In addition to the All-Star Nationals, there will be Mustang Day on Saturday, April 13th. This will be celebrating the 60th anniversary of when Mustangs were introduced to the public. There will be special classes for Mustangs for racing Saturday, and there will also be a huge Mustang car show. You can see more information on the Facebook event page or NMCA Digital online. This is Megan Lambert, your Richmond County Tourism Director, coming to you from Rockingham Dragway with your weekly Rockamercial. Before the racing fun here at Rockingham Dragway starts tomorrow, we have music bingo and Hamlet at Axe to Grind, and the Nortons will have their full lineup of music and food trucks. Thursday night, weather permitting, will be Patrick Raison. And you can see Norton Farms on Facebook or Crystal Norton's Facebook page to see the music performances for Friday and Saturday. On Friday, April the 12th, Big K in Rockingham will have an open house event. In Hamlet at the Hamlet Senior Center, they will have a wellness festival. And by the Depot and Hamlet Visitor Center, they will have their first TGI Fridays on Main with food trucks. That will be there all day, starting at 11. Food trucks will also be in Rockingham at Norton Farms, starting at 11. And their live music that night will be with Clark Bennett. Back in Hamlet at Axe to Grind, they will have Redemption Night for Hamlet's Got Talent. This is the second Hamlet's Got Talent, Redemption Night. And in Rockingham at Hudson Brothers, Nikki and Chuck will have live music. They will have karaoke at Double Vision and also at Hail Mary's Tavern. Also Friday night, Dairy Queen in Rockingham will have a fundraiser with 10% of their sales going to Richmond County Operation 6. Saturday, April the 13th is a full day starting at 8 a.m. with a Cryptid crawl that will be on the trail at Richmond Community College. This precedes the 10 a.m. start of the second annual Encounter Quest that will be all day in Cole Auditorium. You can see more information about Encounter Quest on their website or their Facebook page, and also purchase tickets for the event. There are several guest speakers, some podcasts, and lots more special guests and vendors that will be at Cole Auditorium for Encounter Quest. The vendors and the food trucks are free to attend to the public. Only the speakers that will be inside the auditorium are ticketed. Also Saturday, Cool Cars for a Cause will have their rain date event at Richmond County Hospice. Over at Crystal Dawn Retreat, they will have a mental health awareness family fun day that starts at 10 a.m. Here at the Dragway, the NMCA NMRA All-Star Nationals will be well underway, and they will also have Mustang Day and a huge car show. Also Saturday will be the grand reopening for Discovery Place Kids Rockingham in downtown Rockingham. Make sure to go by and see the newly renovated exhibits. Tickets are available online on Discovery Place Kids Rockingham website and Facebook page. Over at VFW Post 4203, they will be having a fundraiser that will benefit the JROTC at Richmond Senior High School. This will be from 12 p.m. until 4 p.m. and they will be selling hot dog plates. In Striker's Lounge in Rockingham, they will have live music with Chuck and Eric. Over at Double Vision, they will have Whiskey River, and in Hamlet, Bowtie will be at Axe to Grind with karaoke. Saturday night, the Sandhills Shag Club will meet for their monthly meeting and shag session in Hamlet at the American Legion. At VFW Post 4203 in Rockingham, they will have a special needs dance Saturday night. More information on all these events and other upcoming events here in Richmond County is available on our website. Visit richmondcounty.com, on Facebook, on Instagram, TikTok, and make sure you are subscribed to our YouTube channel where we post these videos every week. and make sure you're getting our newsletter from our blog on visitrichmondcounty.com. Come rock with us this weekend here at Rockingham Dragway and all around rocking Richmond County. If not, we'll see you next week.